Guys, welcome to classes of Breathe. I will discuss with you things you must do to get 90% in your board examination. Okay, first of all, you should complete your syllabus totally before 2 to 3 months before, okay, for your board examination. So, let's start. I have not written these things in a sequence. So, first is 10 years should be completed of every subject. Okay, then second is you must make your own notes for every subject. Only teacher's notes will not help you to get 90% or above 90%. Okay, practice sums daily of mathematics. So you should do maths daily, at least 20 sums, 10 sums at morning and 10 sums at evening. I prefer you must do at least 1 hour. You must read mathematics, you must do sums for 1 hour. Okay, so fourth is before going to the examination hall, your notes which you will make should be marked up fully and some important things from your book. Okay, so fifth is solve 10 numericals of physics and chemistry in a day. Okay, you must do that because it helps you really. I am telling you, you must do physics and chemistry's numericals at least 10 in a day. Then sixth is topo sheet and map should be practiced in a corresponding days because 30 marks are there in topo sheet and map. So you should practice it so that you can easily get 30 marks in your examination. Okay, so if you have taken computer, then you must do 1 to 2 programming in a day because it is very important. At least 12 sums means 12 programming, 12 marks are there in one programming. So 8 is if you have taken economics, then you must do 1 or 2 sums in a day. In economics too, there are many sums, means small sums, but many sums are there. Then seventh point I have told you, eighth point also I have told you. Then ninth point is first you should complete your Hindi and literature syllabus and keep it aside, and in a week 1 day only you should read it because in that only stories are given which you never forget. So read it first and keep it aside so that you can focus on your other subject also. And I'm not telling you to leave it fully, but you should read once a week or twice a week. Okay, so 10th point is language. In language you should practice daily 10 to 20 sentences. Now you know what should become in as in means in your question paper what questions will become. Like question 1 will be your prepositions will come, essay will come, letter will come, notice will come, email will come, then do as directed will come without using and but and so will come, then verbs fill up will come. So you should practice at least 10 to 20 sentences of each thing so that you will be totally means बोल हम लोग की मीन्स पूरा हम लोग एक दूसरे मीन्स सेंटेंसेस ऐसे ऐसे डेली अगर हम लोग 10 to 20 सेंटेंसेस करेंगे तो हम लोग फर्स्ट तो अपना इंग्लिश भी सुधार सकते हैं, हम लोग फ्रेंकली स्पीक कर सकते हैं इंग्लिश में किसी के साथ भी, और हम लोग का इंग्लिश होगा मीन्स हम लोग का लैंग्वेज प्रूफ होगा सो दैट in exams we will not face any problem while doing the sums, means while doing the sentences, because we will be very frank to that sentences because we have practiced a lot. So see, I have written what subjects you should make notes. History civics is very important subject which you should make notes of it because history civics is a subject that you should make notes because very lengthy question and answer is given in your books. So you should make it short and keep only the important points in your answer. Okay, so many chapters are there, so you should make history civics notes. Then geography notes, 30 marks you will score easily in total map. Then you have to score 50 marks because ICSE gives 20 marks for your project, means you get from your school project which you make and submit it to the school. So how to score 50 marks? So for 50 marks you should make your notes, the chapters which comes usually, which is means every time this chapters which come at of 10 marks is climate, soil, then your energy resource and one more chapter is there. That chapter means many chapters, transportation, then waste management. These chapters are the chapters which comes, so you should practice it, means you should write notes, your own notes, you make your own notes and write that. Mainly at climate chapter, it is very important and it is scoring also. Then your economics, in economics also you need to make your notes. Then computer, it comes of 32 or 40 marks, means question and answer. In that small output is, and some basics are given, so you should make your notes on basics of computer, like what means Java oriented programming, then principles of Java, then something more, many things are there in computer also, so you should make it. Then physics, chemistry and biology, I will suggest you that you should read your books daily, because it is very important. So see here I have written, I will tell you that you should read your book daily and have one copy and pen with you while reading, and any point which you think is important you should write in your copy. Remember, physics, chemistry, biology, science is that subject which you can't mug up. So you have to read it, means you have to read your books and mark your important points which you think that it is important, so you can write in your copy, so that you don't have to search that point where you have marked, where you have done. You can easily open your copy and look for that points. So I will conclude here only this discussion. So if you think that this video is helpful for you, please like and subscribe it. Thank you guys. I have made many videos on many chapters of these subjects like history, civics, maths. You can watch it, and on computer also have made many videos, so you can watch it. Thank you for watching this video.